How to add music to your snaps. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add musics to your snap. So first of all, let's open our Snapchat app and then capture a random snap. Now in order to add music to this snap, all you have to do is locate the music option on the top right side of the screen, and now if you look closely, you can see first, second, third, fourth and fifth option. There is the music option, so simply tap on it. And now you can search artists and sound on Snapchat, so you can also view all of the popular sounds which are trending right now. But if you don't want to use any of these sound, you can simply search the sound right over here. And now once you found the sound you want to add, simply tap on it. And now once you found the sound you want to add, simply tap on this tick option right over here. And then now you'll have successfully added music to your snaps. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.